Try to run this train sometime later in the week. This is the military train. It's gotten 6 cars longer. Of course, remember I have all the Sherman tanks and the artillery from before, and also got the under the bridge over here. Atomic Annie is over here, and some bombs and a couple of troop transports, because I also have a troop transport train and a hospital train. But this one is been growing little by little. Sorry about the bridge causing the focus to change. But yeah, those are the new cars way up there in the front. Walk over there so you can see them better. So, but anyway, that's the new cars. And the other ones are gonna have to be dusted up a little bit. So, but anyway, that's where it stands. See you later. Bye.